Discover VulpeFI, the next-gen DeFi platform powered by AI and multi-chain trading that makes smart crypto investing faster, cheaper, and easier for everyone. As always, folks, make sure you always do your own research before investing in any of the crypto projects that we do talk about in this channel, because these videos are not financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. On top of that, guys, if you do want access to the pre-sale or any of the links for this project, that will be at the very top of the description of this video and at the top of the pinned comments. Let's get into it. Alrighty, folks, so here we are on the main website again, guys. All of the links will be in the description of this video. So what is it all about, guys? Let's start off by talking about its innovative DeFi AI technology and core features. Bit of a new one, guys, but essentially, guys, VulpeFI is combining decentralized finance with AI to deliver, guys, smarter trading. And key features within that include AI-enhanced trading dashboard, guys, offering real-time predictive insights, a multi-chain DEX aggregator, guys, which we can actually go here. We've got the aggregation protocol here, guys, and we can actually launch the dApp here. And quickly as well, guys, I'll also mention, guys, the ability to join the pre-sale is just right here. Just got to go ahead and connect up your MetaMask wallet to go ahead and do that as well. And, guys, on top of that, guys, with the multi-chain DEX aggregator, guys, it is actually going to be across Ethereum, guys, BSC, as well as Solana, which is actually also going to be coming soon, guys. Optimize your trading efficiency across numerous DEXs between various networks. So that interoperability capability is very strong, guys. And ultimately, guys, the Gasless Limit Orders, which are in place to eliminate fees for much better global user adoption. And something really important to note as well, guys, about VulpeFI is their strategic partnerships and high-profile team in place, guys. So VulpeFI benefits from global blockchain expert Andy Lian joining the team, guys, bringing extensive industry experience and credibility, which is very, very important in this space. The platform also collaborates with notable partners like UX/UI to boost reach and trust. They also have some confirmed listings as well, which is super important, guys, officially on BingX and Bitmart, and that's set for June 30th, 2025. So mark your calendars for that one, with a top 10 exchange announcement coming soon. Who knows? Could it be a Binance? The launch marks a key milestone in bringing VulpeFI to a broad investor base. Then in terms, guys, of the vision, the mission, and the roadmap highlights, it's very important to cover that as well. So they've already accomplished quite a bit, guys. Again, all of the info can be found here, but VulpeFI's mission is to democratize intelligent DeFi by simplifying cross-chain trading with security and scalability. The roadmap essentially includes launching advanced AI dashboards, Solana support, a universal quote system, a DAO governance tools, and expanding institutional partnerships over the next few months. So pretty good to see what they've got in store. Alrighty, folks, so that is all for today's video talking about VulpeFI. All the socials here, you can get involved with the X, the YouTube, and the Telegram account. I highly recommend you go ahead and do that. Again, just to touch on the pre-sale, guys, if you want to go ahead and join that pre-sale, you can go ahead and do that by joining right here, by joining the pre-sale. Make sure you have your MetaMask wallet installed and everything like that, and you've got the gas on there. Love the fact that they've got that cross-chain compatibility coming, guys, with important ones like Solana, which is coming, BSC, ARB1, guys, really, really important, and looking like a pretty interesting project in its early stage, folks. Let us know if this is the kind of content you enjoy by liking the video, and if you do want to connect with VulpeFI, guys, to do that, the link will be at the very top of the description of this video and in the pinned comments. Do always make sure you always do your own research, guys, before investing, though, because these videos are not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Guys, from wherever you're watching from in the world, have a great day, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.